For the stitch before the pattern says to switch colors. Crochet it like normal until right before you get to the last yarn over. To change color mid-row, first work the stitches until the penultimate step in color 1. Now get into crocheting position with the new color, the yellow, and we're gonna do the stitches now. Pull through both loops to complete the stitch and continue to work the next stitch in the next color. Once secured, you can either fasten off the old yarn or keep it attached if you'll be working it in again soon. This is called stranded color work. Crochet the stitches written in the pattern like normal, using yellow working yarn. Every time you're supposed to yarn over and pull the yarn through loops on the hook. Remember to do this above the unused yarn to minimize the chance of the unused color peeking out. If you're going to use colored orange in the same or next round, keep crocheting over it. If not, cut it as close to the piece as possible. Alright, I have finished changing colors, like in this video.